और अब बात करेंगे अमेरिका में ट्रंप जेलेंस्की के बीच हुए ड्रामे के। व्हाइट हाउस में जो कुछ हुआ वैसा शायद ही पहले कभी हुआ हो। दो राष्ट्र प्रमुखों मीडिया के सामने बिल्लियों की तरह लड़ते झगड़ते नजर आए। ये दोनों राष्ट्र प्रमुख थे, अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप और यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति व्लादिमीर जेलेंस्की। एक रिपोर्ट आप देखिए।
वैसे तो उन तीनों में से दो अपने अपने राष्ट्रों के प्रमुख हैं, एक राष्ट्र प्रमुख के डिप्टी हैं, और जब ये लड़ने झगड़ने लगे तो ऐसा लगा कि तीनों हमारे जैसे ही सामान्य हैं, हमारे जैसे ही लड़ते झगड़ते हैं, या ये कह सकते हैं कि बड़े लोगों और आडंबरों के पीछे बेसिक नेचर कॉमन होता है।
For 4 years in the United States of America, we had a president who stood up at press conferences and talked tough about Vladimir Putin, and then Putin invaded Ukraine and destroyed a significant chunk of the country. The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy. We tried the pathway of Joe Biden of thumping our chest and pretending. What makes America a good country is America engaging in diplomacy. That's what President Trump is doing.
Oh. और ट्रंप के डेप्यूटी वेंस ने तो हद ही कर दिया। जिन जेलेंस्की के पीठ पर बाइडेन का हमेशा हाथ रहता था, जो बाइडेन हमेशा कहते थे कि जेलेंस्की जो है वो महान है, जो बाइडेन कहते थे कि जेलेंस्की अमेरिका का हीरो है, उसे वेंस साहब ने धो डाला, यानी कि नाकाम साबित कर दिया। और मैं तो यूं कहूंगा कि उनके मन में एक शब्द भी था, नालायक, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा कहा नहीं। उसके बाद जेलेंस्की का जो सब्र का बांध था वो टूट गया, और उसके बाद समय था यूक्रेनी राष्ट्रपति के कहने का।
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So he occupied our parts, big parts of Ukraine, part of East and Crimea. So he occupied it on 2014. So during a lot of years, so I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now the President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him. But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and took. He killed people. You know what the contact.
जेलेंस्की ने 2014 की घटना का जिक्र किया तो ट्रंप ने पकड़ लिया। पकड़ा ही नहीं बल्कि आक्रामक होने की कोशिश भी की। हालांकि जेलेंस्की ने जैसे तैसे अपनी बातों को संभालने की कोशिश की, और सिर्फ कोशिश ही नहीं, आक्रामक होने की कोशिश भी दिखाई दी।
2014 and
2014.
Yeah. So
I was not here.
Yeah, but
that's exactly right.
Yes, but during 2014 till 2022, the situation the same. The people are been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversation, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him. Me, like a new president in 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel. We signed ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people, and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
जेलेंस्की ने रोना धोना शुरू कर दिया, तो वहीं ट्रंप और वेंस का जो बांध है, सब्र का बांध, वो टूट रहा था। बीच में इंटरप्ट किया और फिर यूक्रेनी राष्ट्रपति की लानत मलामत शुरू कर दी।
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President,
a lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless.
You don't
God
know
bless.
that.
You will not have war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because
I'm
you're in no
answering on
position
this
to
question.
dictate that.
That's exactly
Remember
what
this.
you're doing.
I'm not
You're in
dictating.
no position to dictate what we're going to feel. You're right now not in a very good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having
I'm not
cards.
playing cards.
Right now, you don't.
I'm very
You're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're gambling
I'm the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
You think
You're gambling with World War
What you're
III.
speaking
You're
about?
gambling with
What you're
World
speaking
War
about?
III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country.
जेलेंस्की पर ट्रंप के बड़े गंभीर आरोप थे। लाखों लोगों की जान लेने का आरोप था, वर्ल्ड वॉर की जमीन तैयार करने का आरोप था। फिर आगे वेंस ने जो कहा उससे पता पड़ा कि ट्रंप और उनके डिप्टी किस बात की खुन्नस पाले हुए हैं। जेलेंस्की को बाइडेन के लिए प्रचार की याद दिला दी।
That's
With
back
all
to
respect to
you.
your
Far
country.
more than
You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of America and the president who's trying to save your country.
your country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No,
Can
you've
I
done a lot
answer?
of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not
I
winning.
know.
You're not, we gave you, through
I
this
said thank
stupid
you.
president, $350 billion.
You voted
we gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
and you
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
So what-
War would have been over in 2 weeks. I want to go, and I wanted this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting killed.
Of course, we want to stop the war.
But you're
I
saying
said-
you don't want a ceasefire.
But I said to you,
I want a ceasefire.
with guarantees.
Because you'll get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire, what they think.
That wasn't
doesn't
with
matter
me.
for you what-
That
what
wasn't
this
with me.
means. It
That was
wasn't
with
with you.
a guy named Biden, who was not a smart person.
But this
That
is
was
your,
with,
this
that
is
was with
your
Obama.
president. It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama, who gave you sheets, and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets.
तो ट्रंप प्लस वेंस वर्सेस जेलेंस्की की ये जो ऑन कैमरा चिक चिक झिक झिक हुई है, ये इतिहास के पन्नों में दर्ज कर ली गई है और इसके साथ कई सारी सीख भी दी है। सीख नंबर 1, किसी के बहकावे में नहीं आने की सीख। सीख नंबर 2, अपनी क्षमताओं तक ही उसको ही देखकर काम करने की सीख। सीख नंबर 3, गलत फहमी नहीं पालने की सीख। और सीख नंबर 4, आंख बंद करके किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करने की सीख। बहरहाल हम तो यही कह सकते हैं कि ऊपर वाला यूक्रेन वासियों को शांति और सुकून प्रदान करे।